And then we got this little guy here. He was just hanging out on an oak leaf, and I'm sure he's had just a heck of a night. So I'm gonna go find someplace to put him where he's not gonna get bothered again. All right, little buddy, there you are. Grow strong, be pretty. But these guys here, these guys are invasive. Boy, do they ever grow huge. Real big. Huge funnel webs too. All right, so same day, I just got home, cleaned up a little bit, changed out of those clothes. And boy, am I glad that I could get outside this morning and do some physical work. I've been in such a funk over the last probably at least couple weeks for, you know, just any, no specific thing, just any number of the numerous things that come up in daily life and just kind of gnaw at you. So getting out and doing that work was great. Really just kind of helps center me, resets my brain. I just really enjoy that part of working outside, working with equipment. You can't turn your brain off, you got to be on your toes, but when you work with your hands, what I found is generally you have to be focused on what you're doing right now. Maybe the next thing after you finish what you're doing now, but you're just so zoned in to what you're doing that you're not thinking about, you know, tomorrow's problems, yesterday's problems. It's just, this is what we're doing now. So it has a way of just focusing my thoughts and orienting myself to just, I mean, really what's important today, what we're doing right now. You know, tomorrow's problems are tomorrow's, yesterday's problems, sure, we've still got those to deal with. But we don't have to deal with them right now in this moment. So that's a great log. I want to get back to millet. I want to try out my 070 clone, but I don't have the right bar for it. And I have the right bar for it, but I don't have the right chain for it. I certainly don't need a 42-inch bar for those logs. And I guess I could use a cross-cutting chain, but I'd sure rather use a ripping chain. I have found that it makes a world of difference. And I don't have any 404 ripping chain right now, especially in 42-inch lengths. I've thought about buying a 100-foot roll and then getting the chain spinner to make up chain. That would certainly be a heck of a lot cheaper than purchasing individual ripping chains. But it'd be a huge investment right now. It'd be probably about $400 if I buy the kind of third-party chain plus the breaker spinner. Probably I'll get it from Harbor Freight if I do. So I just haven't quite gotten to that point yet. I'll probably pick up a couple of ripping chains, but I want to get back and do that soon. I'm really excited to do that. See how that old 070 mills. So we'll see. Lots of stuff going on with the channel. If you got this far, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. And I'd love to hear from everybody out there. Just thoughts on, I learned a ton of stuff from this channel. Even if somebody's not necessarily very nice about how they share their criticism, I always appreciate learning because, I'd rather learn. I'd rather have somebody maybe be a little bit harsh and then learn something rather than, them spare my feelings and me waste a bunch of time or energy or do something dangerous. So I love hearing from everybody, really regardless of what their, regardless of how they share it. Maybe I'll put it that way. So again, if you got this far, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out today, and we'll catch you next time.